And I have arrived at Konnos Beach at the Konnos Bay, and it looks amazing indeed. Look at that. It was definitely worth the 8-kilometer run from Glyki Nero beach all the way here, as I have explored also half of the running the coast, and then I went on to the road. And now I'm here at Konnos Bay Beach, and this beach was overcrowded in summer when I was here. I think it was 30th of August, if I remember correctly. And right now there is practically very few people on the beach, so it was beautiful thought to come here today on this 31st of December, New Year's Eve indeed. It is 20 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 in the sea, and the sun is up now after it was cloudy earlier today, so that's amazing for the beach adventure. So let's now check out the sea and take a swim on this special holiday, 31st of December. And I have 8 kilometers also back to run, so I really need this swim right now. And the color of the water is a bit different now towards the end of the day. If I was here 2 hours earlier, the color would have been turquoise. Now it's a bit more greenish and bluish. And you can see the coast all the way to Ayia Napa church that I have visited in summer. So yeah, this is paradise here in Konnos Bay. So I really wanted to visit Konnos Beach once again, because last time it was overcrowded. There were so many people here at the late August. So I'm really happy that I'm doing beach adventure once again here. So yeah, what a year it has been, this one. I have traveled to so many different places and started off my YouTube channel also this year, and started to post my Sweden beach adventures in April every single day. And then I traveled to many destinations throughout the year. I have been to Israel and Palestine. I've traveled to Crete in Greece, Mallorca, Spain. In Cyprus I was during summer. I went to Liverpool, went to Malaga, Torremolinos, Gibraltar also, Valencia. What else did I miss? To Macedonia, I was 2 times, and now again in Cyprus. So I hope I didn't miss any of my destinations, but yeah, it's an amazing day, Sunday, end of the year 2023. So let's see what 2024 have for us in stock. Let's take a quick look of the whole bay. Isn't it beautiful? And there are probably around 20 people in total at the whole beach, and if I compare to summer it was 500 plus, so almost 5% of the people are here now than there was. Cool. Then this beautiful beach is definitely worth visiting if you're staying in Ayia Napa or Protaras, because this beach is in between Ayia Napa and Protaras, probably around 3 to 4 kilometers from Protaras and 6 to 7 from Ayia Napa, depending on where you're staying, because Ayia Napa is quite long. So yeah, let's then roll and take a swim in Konnos Bay in Cyprus. Let's go! The color of the water when I open my eyes inside, it's so beautiful. I hope you have also witnessed that. So yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Cool. Now I would chill a bit more on this beach before I head back to Ayia Napa. I have 8 kilometers run back, but I will make some beach adventures along the coast. There is one nudist beach along the coast that I want to check out, as that was my most watched video for my summer vacation. So I need to make one more episode there. So cool! Thanks a lot for watching. Greetings from Konnos Bay, Cyprus, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!